Welcome everybody to SK Lifestyle. I'm SK, of course. If this is your first time joining me, hit that subscribe button down below. So, like the title suggests, I'm gonna go ahead and use this RainX, and I'm gonna show you how well it works. So, I do have some really good RainX wipers on my car, and if you're interested in those, check those out in the link up above. That said, I also bought some RainX spray because I figured, well, both has to be better, right? Well, at least hopefully not worse. So we're gonna try this out, and actually I was gonna do a quick like 10-second montage of me cleaning up the windshield and stuff, but this is glass cleaner too. Yes, so while I'm teaching you out there, I am teaching myself as well, because I did not pick that up when I bought this. So really all you got to do is spray this on and wipe it off. A little more complicated than that. You want to clean it up a little bit and then use the other side of the rag that's cleaner to wipe it all off and smear free. And if it's a really dirty windshield, then you want to apply it more than once. I think I should be all right with about one application, but we'll see. So with that said, let's get to it. Oh, and I'm only going to do my driver's side of the windshield so I can do a quick comparison at the end with the hose, show you what it looks like. And it's kind of looking like it might be rain out here, but you know, if that's the case and I don't get the chance to do the other side, at least the driver's side is good enough for me today. So let's get started. All right, so what I'm gonna do before the initial clean is just kind of wipe down the windshield with this other rag that I have, just to get off some of the loose debris. That way the cleaning solution, yeah, you can see that can work a lot better without all that debris. So nothing crazy, just a quick wipe down. All right. Now throw that rag to the side and use our trusty spray here. Rub it in pretty well. Get the top and the corners too. And then it says to use the other side, like I said, to get it to be streak free. All right, so I can do this other half now. Got a little schmutz on the windshield there. Oh, that's a little crack. All right, trying to be kind of liberal with it. All right, might need to call up, what is it? Safe Flight or whatever. I got a couple little chips in there, so good thing I did this video. All right, folks, so there it is. There's the RainX spray for you. I just applied it. Now, I do need to wait an hour per the directions before I can apply water to it. Well, it suggests. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go inside, hang out, do whatever, and then I'll come back out in an hour, flip the camera back on, and then I'll use the hose, spray it on, get my final opinion on how well it works, at least initially. And then yeah, leave your comments down below after that. Let everybody know if you've used it before, what's your experience with it, or if you have any questions, of course, leave those in the comment section down below. SK will always get back to you. So let's yeah, come back in an hour. All right, so somehow the rain has stayed away. It's pretty warm out, but you know, the wind's moving, so I think it should be pretty good for the glass as far as drying and adhering the spray to the windshield. So I got my little rain stick of truth here, and I'm gonna let it rain all over, and we'll see how well it works. So let's get to it. All right, I got the little shower mode going, so we got a lot more water here. So remember, I did to about right here, so it is kind of running off. And then if we see over here, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I'll be honest, I don't really think I'm seeing that much of a difference. So what I'm gonna do is I'll apply the rest of it. Tomorrow's gonna be a really hot day, so I'm gonna do it again tomorrow morning, early in the morning, let it dry for like 3 hours. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. But I'll say right now, I mean, it cleaned the windshield good, I guess. But I mean, if you look now, it just looks like it rains. I mean, I can kind of tell the line where I stopped doing stuff, but it doesn't really look that much different. All right, we shall see how that second coat and I was real extra with it. We'll see how well it works. All right, so I wanted to wait like 3 hours this time, give it a real nice time to cure. Here's the windshield though. You can see it's raining. It's only been about 50 minutes. I just don't see any difference. Now, I know we're looking at raindrops. It's probably hard on the camera. It just looks uniform though, right? I don't see it like just washing off one side and then just, you know, sticking on the other. So I don't know. I'm sure it helps clean up the windshield, and maybe after many applications, like it's starting to rain a little more now, maybe after a few more applications, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to say overall, I mean, it was cheap, but I'd say thumbs down. I mean, I guess it's okay to use. We'll see in the long term. I have a whole bottle of it, so I'm gonna use it more. But I definitely think the money is worth in the actual rain wipers themselves. You spend the money on these. Don't go cheap. Buy good ones. They'll last 3 times longer and they'll work 5 times better the entire time. So spend your money there. That's the SK tip I have for all of you. Leave your comments down below. And again, hit subscribe. SK Lifestyle.